my birthday! Yay! Okay, too many talks to happen. Right now, I am in my room and I got a bunch of gifts. I'm going to show you guys the gifts. But before that, priorities. I just saw the video that Mostly Lovers uploaded on YouTube. Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know. I just loved it. Basically, thank you so much, you guys. That means so much to me. It was so much effort. So many of you spent so much time in actually recording a video and then sending it across. And then he spent so much. Ritvik, thank you so much, Ritvik. He spent so much time in editing it, uploading it, and just like making it so special. Like, and it was a surprise. I had no clue about it. I wasn't expecting anything like this. So thank you so much for the effort. It means so much to me. And now I'm going to open some of the mails that you guys sent to me. So let's do that. So I have these 4 packages. I have more packages which got delivered later. So they are in One Digital's office, and I will pick them up sometime this week when I go there. So let's open them. Alright, so the first one is from Ira Mepani and it's from Chamber. Thank you so much. Oh, and she wrote PK in the back. Let's go for it. Dearest Prajakta. Okay, I'm not going to read the whole letter to you guys because of course it's between me and Ira, but I'm going to read a little bit. Dearest Prajakta, I never thought I could write a letter to my favorite YouTuber. God knows how many dull days of mine your videos have lit up. My favorite one yet is Indian restaurant etiquette. Oh my god. Love, Ira Mepani. Thank you so much, Ira. This is such a cute letter, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I read the whole thing and I love it. Alright. Next one is by Shrishti Singh from Patna. Hello. Okay, let's see what's in this. This looks like a greeting card. Is it a greeting card? Is this a picture of me? This is so sweet. This is one of my favorite pictures, by the way. I love this picture. There's a letter. Dear Prajakta Kohli, my name is Shrishti and I'm 17 years old. I live in Patna and I'm a huge fan of yours. Oh, if you could find some time to respond, I'd love that, but I understand if you don't. P.S. I'd love to keep that photograph. I'd love to keep that. Oh, okay. Alright, so Shrishti, I'm gonna reply to your letter and I'm gonna sign this for you and send it back to you ASAP. I'm gonna do that this week, I promise. Thank you so much. Also, Ira, I'm gonna reply to you too. Alright, package number 3 is from Roshan. And he's from Tamil Nadu. Hi, Roshan. Okay, so there's a tiny box. And there are 3 letters. There's a letter for Rishank. There's a letter for Siddhali. And there's a letter for Prajakta. Exciting! Oh, so cute! So it's a tiny bottle. Can you see it? And it has a little teddy bear that says happy birthday. Thank you so much, Roshan. This is going on my side table or it's going on my I think it's going on my side table. Thank you so much. I am going to give the letters to Siddhali and Rishank. I'm not going to read them. It's for them. But mine, I'm going to read. He said happy birthday, boo. My god, you guys have really good handwriting. Look at this. Look at how pretty this handwriting is. Okay, I'm going to read this. So, BRB. Thank you so much, Roshan. That was so sweet. You know what I like about this though? The fact that you guys can write to me and I can write back to you is that we can have elaborate talks. Although, it's easier to talk on social media, it's easier to kind of connect on Twitter and Instagram and all that. But these things just make more sense, right? Because you can just be yourself and write your heart out and the person's going to read it whenever he or she gets time. I appreciate that. I think I love this idea. So thank you so much. I love it. I love the gift too. You don't have to get me the gift, but I appreciate that you did. Alright. Last one is from Ritvik Gautam. He's my first pen pal. Hi Ritvik. And he made a little boo-boo on the envelope. He said open on or after 27 July. That's okay. This is one. This is so cool. This says this is a certificate of awesomeness. Hashtag ooh yeah. And this is a handmade card. Look at that. And mind you, I got all of these like last week, but I did not want to open them unless it was my birthday because I know you guys said it for my birthday. This says the Queen of Kadipatta. I like that. Ritvik, this is a small letter. Last time a letter was like 18 pages. What's wrong with you? Just two? I'm disappointed. So I know that this week my priority is to actually read the remaining letters that you guys sent and reply to each and every one. And I am so grateful for all of this. I can't even. Thank you so much, guys. This means so much to me. And again, thank you so much for that video. It was so unexpected. And now we open my gifts. Alright, so gift number one is this bag that I got even before my birthday actually. My friends got it for me because it was kind of getting out of stock. Gift number two is the Canon 700D. Now this is an amazing gift. I've been meaning to buy a new camera for the longest time. But you know me, I get money and I spend it on food, clothes, belts and bags. So yeah, I was meaning to save up for this, but then I always ended up spending all my money. But you know, people I work with know me the best. So thank you so much, One Digital Entertainment. Thank you so much, Sudeep, Gurpreet, sort of everybody at One Digital. This means so much to me. You have no clue. I got a new camera. Yes. So that's gift number two. That's just the box actually. The camera's in here. Gift number three is a tan sling bag. Look at that, look at how pretty it is. And the fun fact is I saw something very similar when I was shopping with Barkhaidi in Delhi, but I didn't buy it because I don't know why I didn't buy it. Like I could have totally bought it, but I didn't buy it, and I am glad my friends got me. Also, Sudeep and Gurpreet and everyone there, they got me this really cool notebook. So it's the Game of Thrones notebook, and it has Ghost and Jon Snow on it. And it's like a really rugged, vintage looking kind of a notebook. Look at it. It's so cool. Also, before my birthday was coming, Vishank was like, do not order anything, because all of these people knew what they were getting for me, and they kind of like had this thing going on, like let's share gifts and buy it for her. So they were like, just don't order anything until your birthday is done. And now I know why. I got a hard disk. I've been wanting a hard disk for so long. My laptop's choking up. So I have a nausea for hard disk because I had one that crashed and I lost more than half of my hard work. And since then I've been so scared of hard disk. But this one is really pretty. So I got this, and then I got something so cute. I got the Instax Polaroid camera. Yeah, it's so pretty, and I also got film. And we finished half the film because we clicked so many pictures with it right now. But it's so cute, look at it. And I also got this box. And I think this is going to be my new memory box because that one's kind of getting smaller. So yeah, I think that's all the gifts so far. I am so happy. Tomorrow is going to be an amazing day. I'm going to vlog all day tomorrow. And yeah, bye. Good morning, you guys. It's my birthday. And it's also the season finale for season 6 of Game of Thrones. And that's what we are watching. We're going to watch that. And then I guess we're going out. I don't know. I have no clue what the plan's going to be. But I'll let you know. Bye. Hey you guys, so we're gonna go for a long drive, then go for lunch, but then the rains came down and my car got a flat tire, so yeah, that got cancelled. But now we're out for lunch, so we're gonna have a nice Chinese lunch because that's one of my favorite cuisines with the chopsticks. And then I'm gonna go home, spend some time with Mama Abba, and then we're gonna go for dinner with everybody. So yeah. Alright you guys, so we got done with lunch and now we're at the arcade. For some reason I have been brought to the arcade.
Ready, set, go!
Woohoo! Oh my god! What? I'm like last right now. So it is 6:30 and I am getting ready and miserably failing at this winged eye. So the thing I have learned is that if you don't do it every day, you lose touch. I mean, it's just out of place. This is okay, but this is just, I don't know. So I'm gonna try to fix that and I'm getting ready, and that's my dress, and that's a typical chadar drying because it's too humid outside. Anywho, coming back to the less middle class things, I'm gonna get ready. I am going out for dinner with everybody, so I'm gonna take you guys there. So that's what's up. And then okay, I'm gonna get ready now and try to master this eyeliner. I mean, it's so, there we go, bye. Hey guys, alright, so I am ready. So it's a dress and I couldn't wear heels because they're not comfortable. And I'm having a superbly humid hair day. So my hair is literally, like, I washed it this morning, Shut up! I washed it this morning and it's like that. It's very damp for no reason. Anywho, so that's the vibes. I got my little bag and these tie-up gladiator thingies, and I just yeah. So with the hair, I just tied it up in a braid, and I just let. What do you guys think? And this lip color is Mama's, which I love. So yes. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I have reached, and I'm the first one to reach. This never happens, like I've never reached last at my party or something like that, but we always come together, like all of us can decide, like all my friends, we decide to meet somewhere and then drive together or something like that. But this time everyone's fancy now, everyone has their own modes of transport, so they're gonna come themselves. People are working, so they're gonna come after office, and I'm just here like what now? So yeah, basically I turned up first at my own birthday party. Yeah. Alright, 12 days and 36 hours later, finally everybody has turned up to my surprise birthday party. Now they'll say hi to you, okay? Yay! This is Vishank, you know Sidali, that's Varat, that's Tushar, that's Ankita, that's Akash, that's Pooja, that's Mayur, this is Radhika. So that's about it. And now we're gonna have fun. So bye. Hey guys, so I finally got home and I came to my room and look what I saw. Do you see that? So it's like 15 humongous bouquets of lilies and orchids and roses. I'm so exhausted. I am so tired, but let's have a little talk. Okay, because we have to. I've had 23 birthdays now, but none of my birthdays have been like, they've been special, but they've not been different. I'm gonna say today was different. I'm gonna sit down. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna sit down. Ow. Oh, yesterday so many people took out time from their lives and they came and they wished me. I saw each and every person who took the time out of their life to tweet to me, to upload pictures with really sweet captions about me, wishing me for my birthday, writing on my wall, writing on my like the channel page on Facebook. I have always kind of been a kind of person who appreciates people who spend time. Like I always think that if someone spends time, then someone really cares, because we realize it or not, somewhere we always know that time means so much to us and you wouldn't just give it to anybody. So I really appreciate all the support you guys have given me, and you know how it is. So I always believe in an action and reaction. I've said this before. You guys tell me that you feel inspired when you watch my videos, you feel happy, you feel stress free when you watch my videos, you feel like everything's okay. And when you feel that, and when you let me know that you feel that, I feel inspired to make better videos. I feel inspired to do better in life. I feel like everything's okay. So don't just thank me. I want to thank you too. We're in this together. We'll always be in this together. And it means a lot to me. So thank you so much for making my birthday so special. And yeah, I hope we meet really soon. As I said, I'm planning a meet and greet, but a couple things are like coming in the way. I'm just trying to figure that out, and I can't wait to have a meet and greet because it's high time. Okay, it's high time. We have got to meet. We have got to meet, okay, and I'll make sure that happens, I promise. So thank you so much. I hope you like this vlog. Now Tushar and Ankita have come over, and I guess I'm just gonna change. I'm gonna get in bed, and I think I'm just gonna lie down because I'm so exhausted right now. But it was fun. Today was fun. Yeah. So if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Until we meet, love.